They've been stealing my heart, and I know it's my fault, 'cause I'm open for love and ain't patient enough. Right about bothering with my bitches, 'cause I'm young and it's predicted. And when we go out it's vicious, so we may be contradicted. Because I really love my bitches, but I've been swaying towards a feeling. You love my behavior, I'll be your caretaker, lifesaver, love maker. I've learned a lot from loving life, crying out from the lonely night. What it's like to be in love, a beautiful thing I ain't giving up. You love my behavior, I'll be your caretaker, lifesaver, love maker. Because I know what it's like wanting, and you take. Because my love, it ain't granted often. Give or take, give or take.